I was taking pictures of the intersection. Just for me. And now I'm looking at the map. Can I cross? Can I cross here?
Hold on a second. How you doing today?
Great.
I'm Officer Harris with the Airport Police Department. The reason why I'm talking to you today is because it's showing that you was taking pictures with your camera.
It's showing?
Man, it was stating that you was taking pictures with your camera.
I was taking a walk.
You was taking a walk? Did you take any pictures of the Boeing area?
I don't really want to have the conversation. I want to go across the street and continue walking that way.
But sir, I have to ask you a question. Okay? And then you can continue your walk. Okay, sir?
I don't want to have a consensual conversation. I just want to walk.
Sir, were you taking pictures of the Boeing complex?
I just want to walk on my way. I've been on public property. I haven't broken any laws.
Right here is private property.
There's an easement in the road. I talked to the surveyors. I talked to the county and the airport commission. I don't want to have a consensual conversation. I just want to walk back that direction.
Sir, do you work with anybody that you have the right to take pictures of the area? Sir?
Am I free to go? Did I commit any crime? Am I free to go? I just want to walk. That's all I want to do.
The question that I asked was, did you take any pictures of the Boeing area?
I don't want to have a conversation. Am I free to go, ma'am? All the respect in the world. Am I free to go?
Good job. Tell him to take pictures of the Boeing area.
Am I free to go? Am I free to go?
Sir, you're not free to go at the moment.
Did I commit a crime?
Sir, you're on a private property, correct?
No.
As long as you're on these grounds of Boeing.
Ma'am, they have signs posted all over the place, and there's a fence right there delineating their property from a public easement.
Do you have your driver's license on?
I don't have anything on me. I have a Mountain Dew, a box in my pocket, and this. It's the only thing I have, and some cash.
No driver's license, no identification.
I don't have any identification.
Do you
Am
have
I free
a vehicle
to go?
nearby?
Am I free to go?
Sir, I'm asking you a question.
I don't want to have a conversation.
Do you have a vehicle nearby? All you need to do is just answer the questions.
I don't want to have a conversation. I don't choose to have a conversation.
Sir,
I just want to walk.
Yourself? What's your first name and last name? Sir?
Did I break the law?
By law.
Did I break the law?
I'm being a police officer. I'm responding. You have the right to tell me who you are. You have the right to display an identification if you have one.
Am I being detained?
What's your first and last name?
Did I commit a crime? I just want to go. Just taking a walk on a public right of way. No crime. She asked me what I was doing, and I told her what I was doing. I was looking at an intersection. The intersection. And then I walked away because I didn't want to have any conversation. The intersection, personal use, and I left.
Okay, what
Am I free to go? Am I free to go?
Not yet, sir.
Did I commit a crime?
You haven't committed a crime.
I haven't?
You commit a crime?
Have I committed a crime?
What's going on right now? Walking along the Boeing area, it was stating that you was taking pictures with your camera. Now, ground, if you're taking pictures of the area, you cannot do that.
Is there a law that says I can't
Unless you're
do
with
it?
the company that Boeing have gave authorization to do so.
What's your name, ma'am?
You understand, sir?
What's your name, ma'am?
Sir?
Am I free to go?
That's it, sir.
What's your name and badge number? I don't even want it. I didn't commit a crime and I just want to walk. There's a business down there that I'm a customer of. Signature Flight Support.
Okay, that's what
So-
I asked you.
It's private property between here and there. I can't walk to and from.
When you're taking pictures.
It doesn't matter. Is it public
Do
or
you
private?
work for Signature?
I just said I was a customer of Signature.
You're a customer of Signature. So did they give you, did they say, hey, go take pictures
I never
today?
talked to them over there today. But I am a customer of Signature, so every Signature nationwide, I use their facilities. But I haven't committed a crime, so I'd like to be on my way.
One second. Someone was
And
going,
ma'am,
they're going to speak with you?
All the respect in the world.
Understandable.
I'm on public property. What you can see from a public property, there's no crime with taking photos. But I was only looking at an intersection.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, bro, boss security. How you doing? Good, good.
I didn't break any law.
Where's your vehicle, sir? To walk or...
I don't want to have a conversation. I was just taking pictures of an intersection, a public intersection, and then I left.
Right.
So,
It's simple. I don't want to have a conversation about anything.
okay, so this is hey, bro, boss security. How you doing?
Good, how are
What's
you? I don't want to give my name.
You have something to hide?
Do you?
No, I gave you my name. I can show you my credentials.
Okay.
So you have something to hide? I mean, you stand at a stoplight on private property.
Sir.
You was on Boeing property.
Sir, I was on a public easement. I'm on the sidewalk.
Okay,
basically.
so you was on Boeing property.
Look, I don't want to have a conversation. I'm sorry.
Okay, so my CCTV footage shows you on Boeing property. So you were on private property. So we could charge you with trespass if we wanted to.
I got a question for you. How far from the curb
Okay, so
do you own?
here's what we can do. Only thing we asking is for your name.
Am I free to go, ma'am? Okay. I haven't committed a crime.
So I'll tell you what.
I'd like to be on my
I'll tell you
way.
what we'll do. I'll tell you what.
I don't have to talk to this
absolutely right.
gentleman here.
But
Ma'am,
you do. But you
I
can be
haven't
charged with
committed a
trespassing,
crime.
and you can go to court, and we can figure it out in court.
I haven't committed a crime.
Okay, so I tell you what. Let's do this then. Let's let the courts decide that. So we'll charge you with trespassing. I'll meet you in court, and we'll let the judge decide whether or not you were trespassing. Because I will guarantee you can record me, but I guarantee you my CCTV footage will show you are guilty. And that way I'll be able to identify you as well. So yeah, let's do that. So if you don't want to identify yourself, then I'll see you in court.
Sir, we can make it a lot easier. All they have to do is get your first and last name because they, like he said, they have you on camera showing that you're on Boeing property. Regardless of you saying it's public property, it's Boeing property.
Which is Boeing property, which is public property?
This is not something we need to discuss here. We can discuss it in court. So
Okay.
we can just charge you with trespassing. I'll see you in court.
Is being charged with trespassing a ticket?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll take the ticket.
You take the ticket?
If it's just a ticket, I'll take the ticket. And we'll do it in court because I wasn't on Boeing property.
Okay, do you
At
have
no
your first and
time.
last name for me?
Sure.
Okay. All right. Can I
don't have a driver's license on me.
Okay, can I get your first and last name?
Sure. Am I going to get a ticket?
Yes, sir.
Matthew Spaccarelli.
Alright. Give me a quick second to grab my ticket with you.
Are you willing to show you what you had on the camera?
In court.
Okay, sounds good.
Got it. Okay, last name, sir?
Sam, Adam, Charlie, Adam.
Sam.
No. Sam, Paul. You can come closer if you can't hear me. Because of the traffic if you want it.
I hear you.
Sam, Paul, Adam, Charlie, Adam, Roger, Echo, Lima, India. That's my last name. I can't hear you.
And what's your first name?
Matthew.
Matthew. And what's your date of birth, sir?
October 3rd, 72.
Okay, give me a second.
So you understand? Are you still recording?
What do I need to understand?
So here's what y'all done. We have a no trespass notice for our property. We also have no camera footage on our property. That's the only thing we came out here to ask you,
Sir, just so you know, anything you can see from a public roadway or it's been decided at the Supreme Court level, I was only interested in an intersection, just an intersection.
Okay.
That's it. Okay? But, ancillary to that, anything that you could see from a public roadway is completely fair game. All I was interested in is an intersection for my own personal use, and I said that to the first security guard who made contact with me. That's all I wanted, was just an intersection.
Here's the
You
question.
cannot stop someone from taking a photograph of a building that's visible to the public. If you wanted to do that, you could put a fence up.
So-
All I wanted was an intersection. That's it. Just an intersection.
Okay, so understand our position. Okay. You stay recording so you can hear everything?
Sure.
Okay. So here's the thing. We're responsible for the security of this site. And we have to investigate suspicious activity.
I wasn't
So-
breaking the law.
But here's the thing though. Someone standing next to our property,
I was walking pretty much the
No,
whole
you
time
wasn't.
except
No, you
when I
wasn't.
stopped to look at my map.
we saw you on CCTV. So what I'm saying is, the only thing I want is the understanding that if you're going to come and do something with the stoplight, notify the local authorities or something like that. Because I'm just hear me out, sir. The only thing I'm saying is that when you show up next to our property with a camera and we have aircraft that's going to other countries, we think that's suspicious activity. That's the only thing I'm saying.
I understand that, but the Supreme Court ruled that
I understand.
photography in itself
Okay.
is not suspicious
Okay.
activity.
Can you do me that favor? That if you want to come, I don't care.
You could have done me the favor just by letting me be on my
I'm
way.
trying to talk to you. You find out one. Are you surveilling our site? That's a legitimate question.
Sir, I told the first lady. She said, what was I doing? And I said, I wanted some pictures of this particular intersection.
I understand that.
And then she turned away and got onto her radio.
Right.
So then I started walking away. I was done. I walked to
Right.
the intersection. I walked a little bit past. I walked back again, and then I was on my way. Yes, ma'am.
We're not getting anything back for your name.
Okay,
You give me the right information.
that's my name.
And it's S-P-A-R-E-L-L-I.
Yes, ma'am.
First name Matthew.
Matthew, 2 T's.
2 T's. And it's
3.
10/03/1972.
Say that again.
19/03/1972.
October 3rd, 1972. Do you want a social security number?
Is it in the state of South Carolina?
What?
your driver's license?
I have a Georgia driver's license.
Georgia driver's license.
So that's what I'm trying to get you to understand. Is that I understand what you're saying, but understand our position as well. Is that to us that's deemed suspicious activity, and we have to investigate it. That's the only thing we're trying to do. Not trying to make it hard for anything. We see suspicious activity, it's our responsibility
Sir,
to
I told her what I was doing. That the investigation should have been over.
You know how many people we've had show up here and see what they're doing? They're doing something else? Yeah, hey, it happens all the time. It happens all the time.
I fly into this airport sometimes, privately.
Okay, and you know what? And
I go to Signature.
no problem. And once you know what, as long as we can identify you, you're good to go.
My point is that one, you don't have any right to because I didn't break any laws. I voluntarily gave it so I could get a ticket. Because you wanted to.
I'm gonna identify you.
I know, but you said we could argue it in court.
I'm gonna identify you.
But you said we could argue it in court.
So I'm gonna identify you.
Just because you say something, it doesn't mean it's true.
Well, exactly.
Can I give you a good example? Something I saw today. This is just kind of a joke, really, but I'll give you a good example. So, I just dropped my girlfriend off at the airport. Do I throw her out of the car? It says no stopping.
That's an airport?
Yeah, right over here. But it says no stopping. Do I throw? And I stopped and asked the police officer that. I said, "Hey, sir, this is just a joke because I thought it was kind of funny." But do I throw the girl out of the car because it says no stopping? The Supreme Court makes the rules and the laws, right?
Well, just understand our position.
I understand your position, but the Supreme Court makes the rules and the laws, right?
I understand that.
And if the Supreme Court says that photography in and of itself is not suspicious activity and cannot be deemed suspicious activity,
Okay.
and I did not commit any kind of crime.
But you did. You was considered.
Okay, so ask your question.
What I'm saying is, no, I'm trying to get you to understand that if we see, what I'm trying to get you to understand is
security, right?
Yes. And so what I'm trying to get you to understand is, if we see someone taking pictures, that's deemed suspicious activity. That's the only thing I'm trying to get you to understand.
What I'm trying to get you to understand is that photography in and of itself is not suspicious. It cannot be deemed suspicious by the Supreme Court, and that I was not on private property and I was just walking by doing an intersection thing.
Have a good picture. We're not going to have a good picture. We're fine. We're fine.
Thank you, sir. Sorry about all that.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Am I free to go?
Yep.
Alright, sir, you can go ahead and continue your way.
Do I get a ticket?
He's not going to issue you a ticket today.
Okay, and what was your name and badge number?
You need my name and badge?
Please, I gave you mine. It's fair. Quid
My
pro
badge
quo.
number, 155 if you need to speak with me.
155?
Yes, sir.
And your name?
Harris.
Officer Harrison?
Yes, sir.
And thank you very much, but I really wish I had gotten a ticket because he wanted to argue it in court. He's wrong. He is wrong.
Sir, just to let you know, normally when you walk along the roadway and you're on private property.
But I'm not on private property.
Hey, sir, how did you get out here?
I walked.
Okay. Walked from where?
My car.
Where is your car at?
Am I free to go now?
My advice to you right now is where your car is at, you walk back to your car. Okay, we're done for today.
And can I have your name and badge number too?
My name is Deputy Gates. I'm with the Charleston County Sheriff's Office. 8630 is
Nice
my
to meet you, Mr. Gates.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Can I cross the street here?
Cross the street here.